Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue to work with our code. This is the last episode. We finally do the cutting and the fitting of the future gorgeous jacket. Many people ask how much fabric we need. But I'm not talking about tissue consumption because everyone has different body sizes and parameters. I do not add to the hem. Here I added 1.5 centimeters in length so that the length was exactly enough for me. Maybe I'll even cut them off because I don't want a long jacket. Sleeve from top to bottom 55 centimeters. We begin to cut. You need to cut only sleeve, front and back. I will do the stand after fitting. I have a sleeve length of 55 because I love cropped sleeves. Perfect. I make a little notch and the front is 1 millimeter. I took the inner seam of the sleeve. The width of the seam is 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter at a time just in case. I'm very surprised by all the popular lectures on the topic of wardrobe from the zero. There are a lot of them out, as well as books and videos on YouTube about that. What a chic sleeve I have! I hope you like it too. And I always don't understand how you can create your wardrobe from zero when I have a code of 2016. Last year I sewed myself a chic skirt, this year I bought myself a shirt. I have everything in my wardrobe. So when I hear about a wardrobe from zero, I don't understand how you can have zero items. I cannot create wardrobe from zero. This is necessary only if you have nothing in your wardrobe. Follow the beauty of the line. From the center of the front, 3 centimeters. I want to reduce it all. Don't make 3 centimeters. Now I will cut off the paper and make 2.5 centimeters. You need to cut carefully. With this technology, it is impossible not to cut carefully, because then there will be problems with the final result. Look how hard I'm trying.
без зубьев.
Despite the fact that everything is clear to us, the waistline should be indicated. Look what a chic sleeve I have. I deepened this sleeve by 1.5 centimeters. When folded, it looks like this. We mark the lines of the waist and begin to cut the back. I will pierce the center of the front. I always say that I don't know what exclusive tailoring is. I know professional and high quality. Perfect. It's done and it's done. We move the edge here and start cutting the back. I'll keep the pattern. I will add 1.5 centimeters along the bottom. How is the new construction method different from the old one? In the first one, we had an armhole and we rebuilt it into a new armhole. And now we immediately build that armhole that we need.
Очень я стараюсь.
During the fitting, I will cut off the thighs. Because the increases are big, first you need to see how the clothes will fit on me. Where I cut the sleeves, a stand will still come out.
Тут у меня еще выйдет стоечка, где вот рукава я краила. У кого будет шов на спине, тоже это правильно, потому что,
Back, button band, and a lovely sleeve. I take off my sleeve. I'll keep the pattern for the future.
Это и лен, это и летнее, это и для отдыха. Что я сделала?
I pave the center of the front and sweep my shoulders. It turns out to be an armhole like this. I slip one sleeve into the camera and another behind the camera. In order to prepare the product for fitting, I need to sweep in the sleeve and collect the side seam. We need to work just a little. The main work will begin when we start to make the finished product. Here is the mark, the center, the second sleeve I put aside. Pins.
Так, центр рукава соединяем с плечевым.
I suggest not to lay out the sleeve now, I add 1 centimeter to the
А
sleeve.
смотрите, я
The fit of the sleeve will be light. Use your fingers to plant the sleeve and sweep the seam.
А я просто сейчас буду на ваших глазах за счет того посадки.
See how it lays. There is no landing at the bottom. Because of the landing, the line turned out like this. The sleeve is very beautiful. Because everything is done right, perfectly. Very light fit on the top. I don't like sewing methods without fitting. I don't understand how this is possible. I've got a crimped sleeve.
Что мы имеем? Мы имеем сейчас вот такой уже вметанный рукав. Боже, какая буду шикарная. Ой, что значит хороший крой?
What do people mean when they say a good fit? A good fit means no problems with basting. We only sweep for fitting. We will not sew on this outline. This is a different technology. Remember this. It seems to me that the button will be too long and it will be necessary to cut off the excess. We will see. One sleeve, one side seam. I sweep the second sleeve behind the camera.
Все, один рукав, один боковой шов. Мы заканчиваем.
And I will show the product on me.
И уже покажу вам сметанное изделие на мне.
I think it looks trendy. I feel amazing in it. I want to shorten the sleeve a little, 3 centimeters.
Вы посмотрели, какая
We are completing our main work on the no pattern jacket and we build on the basic pattern of the coat of the same name. In this issue I talked about the required seam allowances,
очень круто.
told you how to properly cut clothes of this type and show the most difficult moments when sweeping.
Видео он у меня был вот такой вот.
This is the end of this huge tutorial.
Я думаю,
Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below.
подписывайтесь.
Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!